Check out this 2007 Saturn Ion. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear spoiler, power outlet, power mirror, MP3 player, ABS, auxiliary audio input, fog lamps, and leather seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.